Welcome to our video on replacing the fork seals on a Honda Spada. I've arranged the video into 4 sections and this is an epilogue. When I went to perform the fork seal change, there was actually a significant issue that I encountered which made the video a little bit different to the way I would have liked to have been. When you remove the fork tube, you have to loosen it's got an 8mm thread, a 6mm cap head screw basically. You have to remove it simply by putting the Allen key up the fork that you can see here, just basically up this little hole that's designed for it, and you just loosen it off. Now, when I went to do these forks, I found that both of them were damaged and I had to drill them and use an easy out. So that isn't exactly what you'd call a standard sort of a video. That's videoing me struggling rather than but having said that, both of them came out quite easily on the scale of broken or damaged fasteners. But what you do need to be aware of before you watch the series is that you don't need to drill them out like I did. You just need to stick a 6mm Allen key in there and turn. Now the catch is that this is the fork that was actually leaking, and what you're watching here is me loosening it after I've dismantled it. Now of course, if something sits in the bike for years upon end, it's going to be very difficult to remove. Generally that's what I find. I work on a lot of old bikes, a lot of heritage bikes, and I don't ever find anything coming as easily as that did. So this is just something to bear in mind when you watch those videos. When you see me drill and use an easy out, that's definitely not the procedure. That's just what I had to do. I left it in there because I have no doubt you guys are going to, some of you guys, a percentage of you, 5%, 1%, 10%, you will encounter the same problem. I don't know how you'll fare, but that's how I dealt with it. Alright, enjoy the rest of the videos.